Hi, Austin here. The My AI setting is where you personalize how your AI works with you. Everything you config here helps Sky learn your preferences, your style, how you like to think and work, and the result is an AI assistant that feels right to you. To access it, just click your profile icon in the top left corner and click My AI. Inside My AI, you will see three main tabs. First is Profile, which focuses on progress and tracking. This section shows how much knowledge Sky has learned from you so far. As you add more notes, Sky earns chakra points and levels up. This is a simple way to visualize Sky getting smarter as it gets more knowledge from you. The next part is personalization. This is where you fine-tune how Sky communicates with you. You will see your quick preferences, which are the answers you gave during onboarding, and you can update these anytime as your needs change. Below that is instruction. This is one of the most powerful parts. Here, you can tell Sky exactly how you want it to respond. You can set the tone, writing style, level of details, and even special rules. For example, you can ask it to be more concise, more structured, or to explain things step by step. And this helps Sky match the way you think and communicate. The third tab is proactive settings. This is where you config when and how often Sky proactively check in with you on the homepage. You can even increase the frequency by adding a new time slot here. And the goal here is simple, is to help you stay on top of your work without having to remember everything manually. And to sum it up, My AI is what turns Sky from a general AI into a truly personal assistant. I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime.